Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben and welcome. We are live to the channel. Okay. Today, very interesting day in the crypto world. And I hope everybody's okay. I hope everybody is actually making some money. And I hope that overall everybody's safe out here because this is the Wild Wild West. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Big Ben. Basically, I am a professional trader, professional swing trader, and this is what I do, guys. I swing trade and day trade. Actually, day trade Monday to Friday, the financial markets, and I swing trade crypto. So if this is something that you definitely want to learn about, hit that subscribe button if you're confused, don't know what's going on. If you're just like, oh my gosh, one day Bitcoin is up, one day Bitcoin down, definitely hit that subscribe button. Because, you know, I'm not like these other regular channels that just talk about moon. I give you the real stuff. This is what I do full time. So definitely hit that subscribe button. I've been doing this for 11 years. So let's go. Let's see what's going on in this crypto world. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if anybody's in the chat room so far. Yes, going on. What's going on, guys? So shout out to you guys here. So let me see. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me give you guys a round of applause right now. Let me give you guys a round of applause right now. Hold on for a second. I'm just letting people know I'm live. Okay, so let me give you guys a round of applause. All right. So, what's going on in the crypto world, guys? Basically, you know, one day we're not doing nothing. Next day we see a pop. The next thing you know, we see a drop. You know, it's just straight up the same old story to me. This is nothing new. I told you guys the rich always play with the price, and I always tell you guys that I've been saying this, you know, from the beginning, that in order for them to make money, they have to take your money. Okay, they have to take your money. That's the only way they're going to continue to get rich or stay rich. So they play these little games. So yes, Bitmex basically did what they had to do, okay, and they took a lot of people's money. So that's what it boils down to. That's how the rich play, especially in these markets. They are willing to do anything to take your money. So shout out to everybody that's here. Bitmex Connect. Yes. Shout out to Cedric, Leslie, Robert, Travis, Dom, everybody, Jude, Mr. Hall, who else? Ace, what's going on, everybody? Leonard. Okay, so let's look at overall. Let's look at this coin market cap. Let's refresh this real quick. So we had 206 billion. It looks like we're going to drop down. We probably went down to the. Did we go to the ones? I don't think so. But it looks like we're trying to hit the ones again. And let me see what else. The volume is still low. Nothing really, you know, crazy in this world right now. But everything is red though. Everything is just super red. And Bitcoin had this crazy little move today. Okay, crazy little move today. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you guys have any questions, let me know. You can ask questions anytime during the stream. Of course, during the stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. So what we had here was the market not doing anything for a good couple of weeks, right? And then we finally popped up. We finally broke this stupid range. Okay, we basically been finding resistance right here, right at 66, 65 level. So boom, boom. Every time we hit that level, we were selling off. Finally, we got this little pop above it. Okay, and if you go to my other videos, I told you guys that if we do pop this level, break this level, our next level of resistance is 68. Okay, I've been told you guys that. How do I know that? Just look to your left. Look to your left. You see Bitcoin had problems around what month was that? Let me see. That was June. So June we had problems around the 68, and then in July we had problems around the 68. Okay, so every time we hit that 68, we dropped a lot. Hit again, we dropped a lot. So that was the level that I was looking at. Okay, as soon as it hit this level, boom, we sold off like crazy. Okay, so it doesn't even matter. This is why me personally, I told you guys, I don't care about the news at all. It doesn't really affect me. And for the people that don't believe technical analysis doesn't work at all, you know, my channel is living proof. So we hit this 68 level, shot down, and it looks like a fake breakout, and it looks like it's gonna just, I don't know if it's gonna do it slowly. Okay, one thing can happen. A couple of things can happen with this. But let me see what's going on in the chat first. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thanks a lot for coming through. And like I said before, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot for coming through with my live stream today. So a couple of things can happen right now with this Bitcoin price. What's going on, Matt? Good to see you. What's going on, BJ? Good to see everybody here. So like I said, a couple of things can happen with Bitcoin. Okay, we can let me see. Bitcoin could actually go down like this, which it did already, chop around, right, and then continue to go back down. Okay, that's one thing. The next thing Bitcoin can do is go back to this resistance level. Okay, so this resistance level in the past right here, which was around 65, 66. Okay, Bitcoin could go back to this level, right? Pop up tomorrow, go back to this level right here, find resistance right here, and then go right back down. Whatever the case is, most likely Bitcoin is going to go back down. That's what it looks like. It looks like a fake breakout, and it looks like most likely will continue to go down from here. That's what it looks like. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm looking for Bitcoin to do. Of course, I'm taking everything day by day. You know, anything is possible. Can we make another high? Anything is possible. But the way things looking right now, basically it looks like a breakout, a failed breakout, a fake breakout, and then most likely we'll just continue to go back down. That's what it looks like. So shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, what's going on, TJ? If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. But basically, you know, that Bitmex went offline. And then next thing you know, a spike. And then all of a sudden, you know, I guess a couple hours later, Bitcoin price is right back down, which is crazy. Okay, but it's nothing new. Okay, this is nothing new. This is how these guys play. I told you guys, this is how these guys play. They have to take your money in order to stay rich, or, you know, just continue to make money. So that's why they always continue to play games with you guys. This is why I told you guys from the beginning, don't get happy when you see anything. You know, a lot of these YouTubers are new to this, so they get amped. They get, you know, pumped up when they see things, and they don't know anything about charts. Okay, they talking about triple bottoms. This is why I said triple bottoms to me is worthless in a bear market because it's too obvious. Okay, this inverse head and shoulder, too obvious. Everything people was pointing out is too obvious. Anything that's too obvious, most likely is going to fail in the bear market, especially at stage one. Right now, we at stage one. What I mean by stage one, pretty much this is the first part of the bear market. Okay, we dropped and then we just consolidate, right? We didn't even make another leg down. Okay, we just dropped and moving back and forth for what? For almost going on what? 7 months. So this is the first stage of the bear market. So anything in the first stage of the bear market is a 98-99% chance everything will fail. This is why I had no problems taking a short up top right here. Even though a lot of people was calling this bullish, even though a lot of people, a lot of news, a lot of good news came out, so-called good news came out. So this is why you guys, you just have to pay attention to the chart. Don't focus. I mean, you can watch the news if you want to, but, you know, it's not going to help you with your trading at all. It's not going to help you with your trading at all. So that's what I'm looking at with Bitcoin. Let's see if I see any questions in the chat room. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I see any questions here. Dom says stay away from Bitmex. My ex-wife wouldn't accept XRP. What's going on, Elvis? I hear you, Leonard. Let me see. Travis says, Ben, thanks again. Discord group, Ben, nice. Shout out to you, Travis. No problem. You said, how can I say that? You a bear? What are you talking about, Leonard? I'm not a bear at all. I'm looking at these questions real quick. A said, is it important to look at certain chart volume? I heard if it's a good setup, but the volume is low, that move don't do it only if it's high. No, not necessarily. Honestly, I care less about volume at all when I trade. I don't even look at volume, and most of the people that I know that trade full time, they don't even look at volume either. Dom said, how many stages a bear market can have? Well, every bear market is different, so it's not really, you know, it's not really like every bear market is different, and it could be a couple of stages, 3 stages, 4 stages, depending on what's going on, depending on why we have a bear market, you know. Let me see. No moon this year. No Lambo dealerships. Shout out to Leslie. Alex, what's going on? Hey Ben, do you think the latest pump was designed to take out some shorts? Yeah, that's what it looks like. Definitely looks like it's designed to take out some shorts. Or at the same time, it could have been two things designed to take out some shorts. That's what it most likely was designed to do. But at the same time, probably a lot of people jumped on that move too and went long, and they probably got crushed. So it's the best of both worlds with that short. But most likely they was going for the shorts to stop them out. Maybe a lot of people had their stops around this level, so they just popped it up, took their stops, and went back down. So let me see if I see any more questions here. Robert said, "Hey Ben, I email you using contact proof so I can get the Discord, but didn't hurt. You sure you email me the correct email? I didn't get no email today about proof about the Discord link at all. Let me see. Nah, I don't see you in my email. Let me check my spam box. Nah, I don't see you. What email address you use, Robert? Leonard said it's a joke. Yeah, I know. I know it's a joke. Well, Leonard. Let me see. So yeah, guys, this is what we're dealing with now. This is a bear market. Welcome to the bear market, guys. If you're not used to this, welcome. This is how a bear market doesn't really care about you. It don't care about your coins. It don't care how much money you put in there. It doesn't care about your age. It doesn't care about anything. Okay, it will take your money just because they can do it. This is why you have to learn about the bear market. Okay, this is why you have to learn how to make money in the bear market. Okay, most people just only know how to make money when prices is going up. Let me say that again. Most people only know how to make money only when prices is going up. When price goes up. So, you know, in order to become a professional, you have to understand the bear market, how it works. Because if you only have a long bias, okay, you're always going to be buying the bottom, hoping for the market to reverse. And that's a dangerous game, because buying the bottom, no one knows the bottom. This thing could go much, much lower. So if you're frustrated right now, if you don't understand what's going on, if you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years. Type in your questions. If you're new to the channel, let me know. Let me see what I have here. Let's see if I have any questions here. Yeah, if you have any questions, guys, let me know. So let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin basically, right now, what it looks like, it looks like a channel is forming. A big channel is forming on Bitcoin. And that usually means continuation. Anytime you see a channel like that, that usually means continuation. So let me show you what I see. What I see so far. So this is what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at this channel right here on Bitcoin. Okay. Looking at this channel right here on Bitcoin. Let me see if I can clone that. Put that on the bottom. So most likely, yeah, you see that? See how this channel's, you see how it hit the bottom of the channel today and it react to that channel. So this channel right now is in play. So what we have here, guys, is a big down move, a big consolidation up, right? A flag. This is what we're looking at, guys, a flag. And most likely we will continue to go back down. Usually this means continuation. So one day you might wake up. I don't know what day it is going to be, but one day you might wake up and Bitcoin is going to be below 57 or 58, whatever that number is. Okay. So let's look at some other coins real quick. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I see any questions in the chat. Isn't that a bear flag? Yes, a bear flag. Yep. Travis said, "Be rich." A said, "What's the best way to reduce?" The best way to reduce that is psychological stress during trade, and the best way to reduce that is practice. Okay, you don't have to go. First of all, if you're feeling some type of pain or you're scared, you're trading, maybe you're risking too much. Okay, maybe you're risking too much. So that could be one. And like I said before, do you have my course? Let me ask you that. Do you have my course? Leslie Savage said, "I'm hearing Bitcoin could go to 1,000. Yeah, anything is possible. I told you guys this bear market is brutal, and that's why I tell you guys, stop buying these stupid bottoms, because this is just the beginning." Yeah, so if you don't have it, it's definitely something that you should look into, because I talk about how to control your emotions in my course. My course is not only about how to make money, but I go over how to control your emotions while you're trading. So it's definitely a good grab. So you should check that out. But one way you can do it is, maybe you're risking too much. Shout out to Leonard. Leonard said, "Hey man, thanks for being a realist and providing valuable content." So shout out to you, Leonard. Thanks a lot for that super chat, that $5 super chat. Thanks a lot. Let me give you a round of applause. Thanks a lot, everybody, for coming here. Because it's not easy, guys. It's not easy to come on YouTube and be an outcast and do the opposite of what most people are doing, right? Especially in the crypto world. It's not that easy to come here and tell people, "Hey guys, it looks like we're going to continue to go back down." Okay? It's not hard to do. It's not easy to do that, because most people they new to this game. They want things to go up. They don't understand nothing about, shorting the market. They don't understand nothing about nothing, actually. So when I tell people, I believe the market will continue to go back down, automatically they assume that either I don't care about cryptocurrencies, I'm a bear, or whatever the case is. But I'm none of that stuff. I'm just a person that been doing this for a long time. This is what I do full time. So I can see what most people can't see. So when I tell people it's going down, it's because I've been through a bear market before. So shout out to Leonard. And of course, I'm trying to help people, not lose all their life savings. Most people are clueless when it comes to this. let me see here. So yeah, let me go back to Ethereum. Let's go to the let's go to the 4 hour. Alrighty. So yep, all these coins pretty much looking real bearish. Ethereum, nice setup. Drop low. Definitely having this trend line that's working too. So everything is just looking like a bear market. And anybody in this chat room, let me know, guys. Anybody in this chat room, Game said, tell me about your course. Yeah, Game, if nobody has the course, definitely check it out. It's right here. Like I said, during my live stream, I usually give everybody a discount. Actually, let me do that right now. Shout out to everybody that's here. And guys, anybody today that's making money, any my students today, let me know. Anybody's making money today. Any of my students making money today? So yeah, who was that asked about this? Let me see. Game. So this is it right here. It will show you how to make money in the bull market and the bear market. Okay, it's the best thing in the crypto market, period. You can go ahead and read the testimonials. And basically, it will show you everything that you need to know. So let me see if I see any comments here. And yes, I just gave it a discount, a 110 discount. Okay, so you know that's only on a live stream. So when I get off a live, it goes back to 210. So definitely want to check that out if you want to learn how to make that money right now in this market instead of going crazy and not understanding what's going on. Most people don't understand that you can actually make money right now in this current market. Most people don't understand that. They just want to wait. So let's go to Litecoin. Let's see what Litecoin is doing. Litecoin is looking bearish like everybody else. I think XRP didn't drop that hard yet. Yeah, XRP didn't drop that hard yet. But it definitely looks like it's trying to form something. Okay. Definitely is forming something. Like a triangle type of situation. So if it breaks down, we'll see. So anyway, let's see what's going on here. Ace said when you go to other YouTubers crypto stream and mention is shortened, they almost get defensive and downplay it. Shout out to Ace. Mash up these likes. Yep. BG, one of my favorite YouTubers, keeps saying that it's accumulating time. Then other side of he said other side of his mouth say it's a bear market. He says a bear market, but at the same time accumulate. That's how you know most people don't even know how to do this. They don't know how to make money. Let me see. King, crypto was made for people that how you say crypto was made for the people. How we let the SEC manipulate Bitcoin and other crypto. Well, the SEC is not manipulating. King Me, shout out to you. Are you new to the channel? Let me know if you're new to the channel. Let me know if you're new to the channel. But the SEC is not manipulating the Bitcoin right now. Okay, it's the big dogs. It's the people that's control, that have all the control. So the exchanges and the big whales, they have pretty much most of the control. Yeah, so the SEC is not manipulating the market, King. It's the big dogs that's doing it. But at the same time, the government is trying to regulate Bitcoin. So maybe later down the road, it'll be manipulated by the government, the SEC, whatever you want to call them. Well, not the SEC, but the big dogs. But right now, it's just strictly exchanges and the crypto whales. Travis said made money today, so shout out to you, Travis. Let me hit that cha-ching button. Yeah, any of my students made money today, let me know. Let me know. Because most people don't think you can actually make money in this current market. Travis said he made that money today. Not last year, guys. He didn't make money last year. He made money today, okay? And that's just not, one time. Okay? My students made money yesterday, day before, last week, week before. I could go on for, forever, but you just have to open your mind and realize there's different ways to make money in this market. If you just want to hold and buy and hold, it's up to you at the end of the day. But there's other ways, guys. There's other ways. So let's see what Tron is doing. Tron is dropping. Trend line right there. It's almost look like a triangle too. So like we just dropped out of that triangle. Like same triangle XRP is trying to form. So let's see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. Leslie Savage said, yeah, shorted Ethereum, made a profit. So another one. Let's go. Shout out to you, Leslie Savage. Making his money. What's good, AZ? Yeah, I'm good today. I'm good, AZ. I'm good today. I hope you're good too, man. Let me see here. Randy said, I'm making mental money studying this course. I'm on view number 6. So shout out to you, man. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with that. So you have to understand that we all have to practice. So there's nothing wrong with looking at the chart and writing down trades that you like, or that you want to take. And go from there. There's nothing wrong with that. So shout out to you. What else? Let me see here. And guys, listen, guys. Anybody that get this course, TRX descending wedge. Yeah, TRX breaking out this wedge. It broke out already. Listen, guys. Anybody that got this course, let me know. Email me proof that you got the course, so I can see you in the Discord room. Okay, you can. Once you get the course, you get access to the Discord room, so you can chill with me and my students. We talk about cryptos and post charts, so that's definitely a winner. So definitely email me with proof so you can get in. Let me see. Travis said, every day I'm making trade decisions based on Ben Course. Haven't lost on it yet. So shout out to you, Travis. That's what's up, man. He said Discord room is worth it. So shout out to Travis. And let me give everybody a round of applause that basically been making money. Oh, that's making money today. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Because right now, you know, it's brutal for a lot of people. A lot of people are sad right now. Trust me. I know for a fact. A lot of people are sad right now. So let's look at ETC. So everything is looking bearish. We got this. Everything looks like it formed a little bit of triangle, breaking out the triangle, falling back down. Same old story. You know, pump, dump. And this is what we get in the bear market. Okay. The people that are not experienced, they get happy when they see pumps or when they see green bars. They get happy. That's why I get trolls on my channel. Every time they see a green bar, they come on my channel. Every single time. Not knowing that, you know, there's money out here for all of us. Hey, what's going on, Glenn? I became a better trader working with the crew in Discord room using the teachings of Ben. So shout out to AZ, man. Thanks a lot. What's going on, David? What's going on? Who else came in? Robert, is this your email? Yes. So send me an email again, Robert, because I didn't get no email at all. Send me a email, Robert, again. Let me check my email right now. So Robert, yeah, I just got your email right now, Robert. I just got it. So when I get off of this, okay, Robert, when I get off of this, I'm gonna definitely send you that email, okay, Robert? Hey, what's going on, 45? Good to see you here. Shout out to you. So let me see if I see any more questions here. And if, like I said, if you're new to the channel, if you have any questions, if you feel like this thing is a bull market for some reason, let me know, or, you know, just let me know if you have any questions. You said Bitmex is working. Bitmex to manipulate the markets. Arthur Hayes admit it on live CNBC. He doesn't care if price goes up or down. Yeah, that's crazy. And guys, I want to show you something. I came across this chart. I really don't know how. Actually I do. I was looking at a video of a channel, I think called I Love Crypto or something like that. I don't know. And he actually posted this link. And basically, he marked down every time CNBC wrote down something bullish and something bearish. Okay, so if you look at the green writing right here, that's when every time CNBC says something bullish, and when you see the red underneath, that's when they say it's something bullish. And every time it says something bullish, the market went down. I'm not gonna read all of this stuff. I can leave the link below, but basically, you know, pretty much every time they said something bullish, the market went down. Okay, this, for example, this right here, did Bitcoin see the bottom, and then next thing you know, we shot down. Bitcoin breakout coming soon, right here, and then next thing you know, next day we just shot right back down. So it's funny how a lot of people don't understand how this stuff works. You know, honestly, guys, if you're new to the channel, I have a lot of body of work where I just go in detail and explain everything, how the market works. I go in detail and explain how the rich is controlling everything, how the news is just strictly manipulated. And I break down. I actually broke down even the 1929 crash, and how this stuff is this is not new. Okay, it's been going on almost 100 years ago. So you guys have to understand that this is not new. This is stuff that has been going on for a long time. So definitely, I mean, I know some of you guys never watched my videos before, but I definitely went in a lot of detail, a lot of my videos in the past. But yeah, this is what's going on. Okay, CNBC, all these news people, they get paid to say a couple of things. Okay, and it's usually the opposite. It's usually the opposite. So that's why, guys, I told you before, I don't pay attention to the news. I just, just pay attention to the chart. Let me see here. Let me see if I see any questions here. If you have any questions, guys, let me know. Let me see. I'm reading these questions. Hey. Let me see. 45. Everybody saying what's up, 45. What's going on, Rufus? Yeah. Yeah, Robert, yes, I see the email today. I mean, just right now, so I'm going to send you it after I get off. So, yeah, guys, if you have any questions, let me know, okay? Right now, ICO, unsustainable financial bubble. This guy thinks ICO is unsustainable, and, I think the same way, too. I don't think these ICOs will last. Especially, doing the ICO in the bear market is not good right now, for the most part. Let's look at what else. What else coin I didn't look at today? Let's look at yeah, all these coins looks horrible. They look horrible. ADA looks like it's trying to hit these lows. Let's look at BNB. I ain't look at BNB for a minute. In a minute, I mean. Actually, let's go down to the daily. Man, BNB. Look at BNB, guys. And I remember a lot of people been talking about BNB, how BNB out of all these coins were bullish. But I kind of figured, I kind of knew that BNB was going to catch up and eventually go down with these other coins. It's not going down a lot, but it is going down. Honestly, right now, nothing is safe in this bear market, so that's why you have to be careful. That's why you have to be careful. And the best thing to do in the bear market is just, relax, learn, study the market, figure how it works, study. So when that bull market comes, you can actually be prepared and be much better, be much wiser, make more money. Okay, this is why I tell people all the time, like, yo, we can actually take advantage of this bear market. Okay, most people don't understand. We can actually take advantage of this bear market, make a lot of money, and then once we make our money, when that bull market comes, guess what? We like 10 steps ahead of everybody. You're much wiser. You have more money now. And now you know how to play the bull market. Let me see. And like I said before, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. This market is whipping a lot of people around, and people just freaking out. It's why, you know, buying the bottoms right now is just the worst thing to do. You definitely have to look for confirmation before you do anything. A lot of people got happy when the market was going up for that day. That's how I got a couple of trolls on the chat room. Okay, the market just popped up like this, and then the next day it popped right back down. Okay, it popped right back down the next day. So, you know, this is what we had to deal with, guys. But guess what? That's money right there for the people that's willing to, you know, think differently and short the market and make money from that. That's money for us. A sucker is born every minute. So, you know, you have to choose if you want to, you know, if you want to be a sucker. Let's see if I see any questions here. And I'm about to get out of here soon. I'm about to get out of here. $45. Did you are you short or you took any trades? What's going on, 45? Speak to me. You took any trades? There's some good trades going on. Did you take any trades, 45? I'm reading these comments here. Let me see if I see any crumbs. Jay said, I'm learning from you a lot. Just a couple weeks from watching you. Great work. Keep it up, man. Thanks a lot, Jay. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching me. Thanks a lot for just, you know, coming by and chilling out with us. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, for the most part, I just don't want you guys to just throw away your money, you know. Even if you don't want to, you know, participate in this, just relax. Learn, like I say, learn. This is the best time to learn. Just learn from the market. It can be frustrating, but, you know, it's also a money-making, you know, a lot of money to be made in this market. Let me see here. Let me see. I remember everyone was on BNB. Yes. Mm-hmm. You said Dom's probably sleeping. He support the group on the. I saw Dom is not here. I saw Dom earlier. What are you talking about? He left. Dom left. So Travis, no, 45 said he cashed out on your profit, waiting for the next. Okay, that's what's up. I hear you, man. I hear you. I hear you, man. I hear you. AZ said, as much as you've been helping people, you should have at least 10K subscribers. I know, right? People been hating. I don't get it. Like I said before, you know, in this industry is just crazy, man. People rather follow people that been wrong, okay? They rather follow someone that been wrong the whole year, and the reason why they follow them because they want the people are saying the same things or saying things that they want to hear, okay? So that's why they've been following. But at the same time, they've been wrong the whole year. Okay, so they rather follow someone that's been wrong the whole year versus someone that's just basically been telling you guys, hey, man, there's another way. You can make money now. I've been showing you guys live how to do this. My students been showing you. It's possible. And you still have people hating. But it is what it is. Let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Let me see. So what exchange are you guys exchange using to short in the US? So Jay Miller, a lot of people we using different ones. Okay, we was using jetfax.com. But if you didn't get in early, then you can't use that no more. There's other brokers. There's other brokers right now. I don't really want to say too much about these brokers because if the word get out, people they might crack down on them. So, but either you can email me or you can get this course right here, and it will show you everything. And like I said before, anybody don't have this course, check it out right now. It is the discount, okay? 50%. When I get off of live, it's going right back to 210. This is what most people have been talking about on this live stream. They've been following this system, and this is how they make money right now in this current market. So check that out. I don't know if I copy and paste that link. If I didn't, let me copy and paste it. $45 said most people are hating because they're lazy. They don't want to put in that work. Exactly. They don't want to put that work to make this money. Yeah, Jay, yeah, no problem. But Jay, check out that course too, Jay. Check out that course too, Jay. Because, you're going to need all the tools that you need, all right? You're going to need all the tools that you need. Eric said, I'm watching the course every day, so shout out to you, Eric. Yeah, so guys, if you have any more questions, let me know. I'm about to get out of here. Let me see. Let me see if I see anything else. And I think that news is coming out tomorrow, right? That ETF news. So that should be interesting. So like I said before, let me go over what I'm thinking. What's going on? What's going to happen with Bitcoin? Most likely, a couple of things can happen. Like I said, a couple of things can happen. We can actually just wiggle around right here, break it, and continue to go back down, or we can actually hold on, or we can actually pop up to this 66, 65 level, find resistance, and go right back down. So keep that in mind, guys. If we do make a double top, or we go right back to the 68, it is a lot of resistance right here, so Bitcoin might have a lot of problem around there. So it might look like a double top right here, or form a double top right here. So you just gotta wait and see. Just take it day by day. Let me see if I see any more questions before I leave. Eric said I got more gain now. Shout out to you, Eric. Thanks a lot, Eric, for supporting the channel. Man, Eric, are you in the Discord, Eric? And like I said before, if you have the course, email me proof that you got the course, so I can send you that Discord. And what's going on? Another day, ETF denial. Sec was yeah, man. So just read this in the article 1 hour ago. Yeah, probably another denial. Definitely. Eric said, "Hey Ben, I made good today." I didn't even see that, Eric. You said you made good today, so you made some money? I didn't even see that. That's what's up, man. Shout out to everybody that's making this bread out here in this current market. Alright, so guys, I'm about to get out of here. Thanks a lot for coming through. Like I said, be careful in this current market, guys. I'm talking about all the people that want to buy their bottoms. Be careful. And overall, there's money out here to be made. So for all you guys that know how to make this money, let's continue to make this money. And shout out to everybody that's here. And make sure you have a good night. And continue to study. And hopefully I keep you guys updated soon. Talk to you guys later. Have a good night.